Hello there and welcome to a special episode of Texas Talk Barbecue. Today, I'm going to show you how to do cheesy enchiladas. Let's go check it out. Now that the pan is nice and hot, I'll add in enough oil to cover the bottom to allow the tortillas to float. Next, I'll grab a tortilla and place it in the pan. Make sure you gently place the tortilla away from you so you don't get splattered by the hot oil. After the tortilla has been in for about 3 to 5 seconds, you want to flip it and do the same to the other side. Leave this side in for 3 to 5 seconds. Now that the tortillas have been cooked on both sides, you want to take it out and put it on a plate with some paper towels. This helps soak up any excess oil. Then you'll repeat this process with the rest of your tortillas. Now, we'll take the tortillas over to the prep area. The first thing I like to do is cover the bottom of the pan with the enchilada sauce. This helps prevent the enchiladas from sticking. It also ensures that the bottom of the enchiladas won't dry out. Now, we'll grab one of the tortillas here and put it on a plate. Next, we'll fill the tortillas up with your favorite ingredients. This is where you can get creative and add anything that you like. You can add brisket, chicken, pork, shrimp. The possibilities are endless. Personally, I like to load mine up with cheese. And for any vegetarians out there, this recipe is for you. Once your tortillas have been filled and rolled, you'll put them in the pan side by side, leaving a little space in between. You'll repeat this process until they are all filled and put into the pan. Next, I like to add a light seasoning on top of the enchiladas. I like to use the Fiesta Extra Fancy Season It All, but you can use whatever you'd like. Their taco seasoning is also great for this. If you want to try those, check out the links in the description. Now we'll pour the enchilada sauce on top of the enchiladas. Be sure to cover them completely. I like to use a spoon so I can make sure I get the sauce in between, on the sides, and in the corners. Next, we'll cover the enchiladas in cheese. This is my favorite part. I also like to put the cheese in an open container like this. Doing it this way makes it easier to grab as opposed to grabbing directly from the bag, which can get kind of messy. You'll also be able to see how much cheese is left. Lastly, and most important, there's no such thing as too much cheese. Now that the enchiladas are prepped, we'll put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. About halfway during the cook, I like to take the pan out, turn it around, and then put it back in the oven to finish cooking. Once they are done cooking, I like to let them rest for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, I'll use a spatula to remove them from the pan, then transfer them to a serving dish or a plate. Last but not least, I like to add a little more cheese, then top it off with some more enchilada sauce. And there you have it, Texas Todd cheese enchiladas. I hope you enjoy. Hey, thanks for checking out my cheesy enchilada video. I hope you like it. Y'all take care and happy eating. Go on. Let me get some of this.